Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shudders or is intermittent. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest software version. To do this, open Huawei Life application and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds here. Scroll down and at the left bottom we have update button, tap at this line. Now we check for updates and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, at the bottom you will see the button download and install. Tap on it and wait until this update finished. Next step is to it only for Android devices, not for iOS. So right here in the main menu, you need to find sound quality, tap at this line, and now if you have connection quality selected here, you need to swap to the sound quality. And if you have sound quality, swap to the connection quality. Next step is to perform a software set. To perform a software set, put your earbuds to the charging case and close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone, and then open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. Remove them from the case and check is it fixed. If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. At the right side we have connection button and you need to press and hold until the LED lights start blinking red. So it's something like 10 seconds. Firstly it starts blinking white, it's okay, just enter to pairing mode, just keep holding this control. Here we go. Now we need to reconnect them with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and as the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device, if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it, and if you have iOS, you can turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Then after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. You don't need to use connection button, just tap on them and click pair. Now, if these methods didn't help you, maybe you need to contact customer service. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!